Hey guys, it's been raining for 3 days straight now. They said it's gonna come out sunshine. I don't think it is. Look, and then look down. You can't see it, but like down, like in the back there, it's flooding, and over here it's like running. Hold on, you can see it better. I come over here, or not. You can see the woods. So like giant puddle. So I think that's pretty bad. That's bad. I'm like, oh my god, it's flooding. It's the second time flooding here. I'm not really doing anything. I just want to tell you guys, like, oh my god, it's raining for 3 days straight. And hopefully tomorrow it won't rain. But I just went shopping. I'm so happy. Because we had nothing. He didn't really buy freezer stuff. He never does. But he did buy my favorite stuff. Okay, you know Josh, that kid, we have the same refrigerator. Not with like all the stuff on it, my report cards. Oh, my core card. It's 96, 100, 98, SSS. We had straight A's that day. I'm so happy. Well, I'm gonna eat a donut. So I'll talk to you guys later.